So finally the price of Bitcoin has done a breakout of the important downwards trend line, and this can be a little bullish for Bitcoin in the next coming days. So I will discuss each and everything in today's video, so let's get straight to the point. I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and right over here, if you are watching my previous videos, you already know Bitcoin's price is in a downtrend. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is a new lower low and this is a new lower high. So this is a very important downwards trend line that the price of Bitcoin is following. We saw a breakout of this trend line, but again the price dumped all the way down till 84. Okay, and after that again we are seeing a breakout of this trend line. The price is again breaking out of this trend line, and currently it is being retested approx. So this means that the price of Bitcoin can again go bullish from here, or maybe it is another fake out just like this, and the price can again dump from here. But one thing I want to show you guys is that, so I just told you guys that the price of Bitcoin is in a downtrend. Okay, this is a whole downtrend, but if you look closely, this is the high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and a new lower high has been made. So this was the new lower high. After this, the price of Bitcoin has to dump towards the downside to make a new lower low below this price. But what we are seeing is that the price is again trying to break out, trying to be bullish. So this means that the price of Bitcoin maybe no longer be in a downtrend, and now it is reversing, it is changing its trend, and we can see a bullishness from here towards the upside. Let's see what happens. Currently I'll not take a trade, obviously I will only take a trade on my levels. So either the price of Bitcoin goes all the way up till 91.4k level, then only I will take a trade, or go all the way down till 73,000, then only I will take a trade. Right over here it is very risky because it is in middle of nowhere, so I personally am not taking any trade, and you guys can make your own decision, anything you want, no financial advice obviously, but this is what I think about the price of Bitcoin. And let's see, I mean the last two green candles, if we look closely, so you can clearly see, first of all we saw a big red candle, and then a small one, and then a small one. This means bears are exhausted and candles are losing their momentum, and there are high chances that the bulls can come in for short term, but yeah, bulls can come in. And we can clearly see this doji candle with a lot of high volume right over here, and again this big green candle with again a lot of volume. So obviously this is telling us that there are bulls in the Bitcoin right now. Bulls and whales are buying Bitcoin. So currently I'll just wait, and let's see how the Bitcoin's price react right now, and nothing much. And obviously if Bitcoin is bullish, then every other crypto is also bullish, and if Bitcoin is bearish, then every other crypto is also bearish. I'm on the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and here also we can see the same exact thing. The price of Ethereum is also in a downtrend, very long time. You can clearly see from here it is in a downtrend. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then new lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And look closely, this is the recent lower high that Ethereum made right over here, right? So there are high chances that the price of Ethereum has to go all the way down below this minor support to form a new lower low. Same with Bitcoin, but as you can clearly see, Bitcoin has not done that, so Ethereum has also not done that. And Bitcoin is pumping a little bit, Ethereum is also pumping a little bit, and let's just see what happens, because here also we can see the same pattern, that the trend is reversing. Rather than making a new lower low, the price is getting reversed from here, and if the price continues to pump towards the upside, then obviously this can be the new low, and then high. This is the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and like this the price can also pump. But let's see, currently I'm not taking any trade on Ethereum also. If the price comes near my important purple resistance zone from 2120 to 2170, near this zone, then only I will take a trade, or maybe near my this purple support zone right over here at 1560 to 1520, then only I'll take a trade. But for now I'm not taking any trade on Ethereum as well. It is in middle of nowhere, and I personally don't know, the price can go anywhere. The Bitcoin can pump also, can dump also, so it's just better to wait right now. One more thing I have to share with you guys is that maybe this is just a small pump. What I'm basically trying to say is that the last Friday's candle closed at approximately $84,000 level. This is where the last candle closed, so there are high chances that yesterday's candle, that is the Monday's candle we saw, opened at approximately $82,000. so I hope you already know that if Friday's candle closed at $84,000 and Monday's candle opened at $82,000, that means gap down opening, $2,000 of gap down. So there are high chances that the price of Bitcoin can pump again to $84,000 to cover this gap. And the same thing happened right over here. We saw a huge pump covering this gap. So maybe this is just a small pump to cover this gap, or maybe it is just a reversal. Let's see, because see, I will only take a trade on my levels. That is my rule. So personally, I'm just waiting for the price of Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other crypto to come at my level, then only I will take a trade, rather than over trading or trading in emotions. So I hope you already know what I'm trying to say right now. Currently the price of Bitcoin is pumping towards the upside because of the CME gap down opening yesterday on Monday, and I knew it that the price of Bitcoin will open at $82,000 and it will pump till $84,000 approx, and it will reach 84,000, and the same thing is happening. But right now I'm worried. To be honest, I also personally don't know that if the price of Bitcoin from here can pump towards the upside or dump. Let's see, because it is not near my levels. Simple as that. I always trade on price action, and the price of Bitcoin is currently in middle of nowhere, not near my levels. So for me, I'm just sitting back watching the charts right now. I'm not taking any trade, but definitely I'll take a trade on Ethereum, Solana, maybe on any other crypto if I find a good opportunity, a good setup to enter. So this is it for today's video, and if you want to trade on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana or any other crypto, or just buy and sell, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments, or else you can just create an account on any exchange. No pressure promotion, but do not fall for any scams. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.